start opening them. Got this one. Ooh. Let's open it. I got this because I really wanted it. It was super cute. And I couldn't find it here in the United States. Look at that. Oh my god, yes. Let's see. Let's open another one. No, let's open one of these. Oh, look. Oops. This is Doinchi. All in Japanese. I'm still a big fan of Yu-Gi-Oh! I wish they did another movie, another season, but obviously, you know, ended in a good way. Let me see. Let me open another one. I think I ordered like probably 10 books. Yeah, I'm obsessed. Got a problem. Oh, got this one. Look at that. Nice. Yeah. So nice. I wish I read Japanese. I'm still learning, you know. Let's open something else. Let's open this small. Oh, do you guys watch Angels of Death? I mean, do you guys watch this? And if you haven't, I recommend it. Good show. Sucks it was just one season. It was nice. I liked it. Let me see. Let's open it. Oh my god, so much tape. This. Look at that. The sack. Probably give it away. I don't know. I wanted a better one, but it's okay. This one. Oh, another one. I think there was an expo. I'm guessing in 2003. A long time ago. Look, small one. Oh, you guys were expecting some of these. Tsukasa, little baby. Ah, I love it. The small one, last one. I mean, from the small ones, obviously. Okay. Oh, okay. So lately, I've been playing Bleach, Brave Souls, and kind of got addicted to it. It has a lot of like little stories, and I fell in love with the story. Let me show you guys. I mean, who's your favorite character? Because mine is Ichigo. That, oh, Hollow Ichigo. I call him Ichigo. I tried so hard to find it, and on eBay it was so expensive. It was like almost 40 bucks. And I'm like, come on, you probably bought this in Japan like for like $10, because Japan's not that expensive, just depending where you get. And I found it on Japan for like $8, probably 9. And I'm like, yeah, definitely gonna get it. Let's open this big one. I don't know what it is, but it feels heavy. Let's see. Give me a second, because oh my god. Oh, okay. It's more doing cheese. I'll show you the pictures. I mean, the cover, because I think it has inappropriate stuff inside. So, you know, I can't show that stuff here. So, there's this creator. It's called Lechenet, something like that. I may be wrong. If you know her correctly, please. She used to, but I don't think she does them no more. She used to mix them to inchis, and they were so freaking cool, but people bought them and sold them so expensive. So this is so big. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. Yes. Got this one too. Apparently it's a reverse Ryu, Bakura, turned to a female. But you know, I think this definitely is R18. You know, look at that. Bakura. Let's show you some of the images. Look at that. Yeah. If you guys want me to post pictures, let me know. I'll put it on my Instagram. Got this one too. He looks like he's sleeping or dead. I don't know. Apparently this was made on 2017. Let me see some pictures. Yeah. So beautiful. So beautiful. If you like Yu-Gi-Oh, who's your favorite character? Because I mean, we all got a favorite character. I'm a fan of all 3 Bakuras, obviously. You could tell. I know my sister's a fan of Kaiba. She loves the rich anime Kai. Yeah. Some of them are dark, but you know, if you're into that, I won't judge because, you know, I kind of really look cool. Let me see. Oh, this is some tape. Let me see. Let me take away the tape. You know, I like how Japan ships their items, you know, so protected, you know, all nice. And America is a whole different story. This is definitely R18. I won't open this. But I mean, if you want to see it, send me a message on Instagram. On Punky Sexy. And let me know you want to see one of the books, and I'll show you. There. They just draw so great. I love it. I got more. Don't worry. Oh, I got another one. I I got a problem. Some of them I'll probably sell them, you know. And you really want one, just let me know. There. She put me a Cinderella tape. It is so beautiful. Oh my god. Look at that. Merrick. Bakura. And little Bakura's there. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love that game. Okay, how do you guys play this game? This always makes me mad. I always lose. But you know. Let's open another one. Oh, and I have another box coming from Japan. Probably comes in 2 weeks. Maybe one. Who knows? And I'll open it too. Okay, this one I can't show you that much, but you know, obviously there's something. If you can see her tummy, you know what's up. No, I won't open it because you know, I mean, this is how it looks. Have this one too. It was made in 2008. Let's open another one. This is really taped. Oh my god. Okay. I know why. Let's just rip it. Ah, easy. Got it. Inside. Oh. What's this? I don't know what's this, but okay. I don't know. I didn't ask for this, but you know, apparently they gave me something. I'll show you guys. Apparently they gave me pieces of paper from a magazine. And it has this guy. Who is he? No idea. I mean, this short little poster. Let's see. Really? This. Yeah, weird, but okay. And then the last one. It's American book for us. Nice. Well, that was my last stuff. If you guys select them, let me know. If you guys want another video, let me know also, because I got more packages from Japan. Bye.